10-year note yields closed higher on the day and higher on the week, seeing a mark of 416. That's up about 4 basis points from last Friday and from yesterday. So the market moving higher after stronger GDP earlier this week, as well as Fed-friendly PCE data and stronger pending home sales this morning, elevated yields again, seeing the move higher to 416, closing for higher for the third week out of the last four. Again, 10-year note yields close at 416 to end the week. Now, what does this mean for volatility? Well, check out that CVOL index over at cmegroup.com, and you'll notice that volatility continues to trend lower as the market remains range-bound, taking a big step back over the last year. We are trading just basis points above the midpoint of the one-year range. So the market, while it has seen big moves north of 5% in October, south of 380 just in late December, we are now kind of coiling up, waiting for that next catalyst event, and next week will bring some more news which will impact the market. Lastly, let's talk about what we do have next week. Among some of the weekly data points we get on Wednesday, we get the quarterly refunding announcement. Likewise, we'll get ADP on Wednesday morning, followed Wednesday afternoon by January FOMC, and Friday we get the non-farm payroll number. So a lot packed into next week between Wednesday and Friday, the keys being FOMC and non-farm payroll. Now, the Fed is not expected to raise or lower rates on Wednesday. However, they are going to be market's going to be looking for some guidance moving forward. Right now, there's about 50-50 odds of a rate cut in March. The market would like to hear from the Fed, maybe get some insight as to which way they are leaning, or perhaps which way they see the data leaning to help them along. Right now, the market seems very much on the fence, as does the Fed. So ending another week, yields moving higher for the third time in the last 4 Fridays, ahead of next week's quarterly refunding announcement, jobs report, and January FOMC.